Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download CapCut in the Android app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first of all you need to do is open your Play Store app and then on the search button just simply type in CapCut. Once you type it in, you can get the app where you can simply press on the install button. So once you press on install, the app will start to get downloaded in your Android device. So in matter of seconds, the app will be downloaded and simply it will start to get installed in your device as well. So after the CapCut app gets installed, it will redirect you to a security scan. So once it passes the security scan, all you need to do is tap open the app. So after you press the open button, your CapCut app will get opened up, and this is how you download CapCut on the Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.